I'm in fact from 5 Investigator.
I'm Khadija from One Thing.
And today we are going to make a pizza
Mania.
for cooking Tinta Challenge Kitchen. Adek, you know where the pizza came from?
Italiano food.
The ingredients are soft tortilla, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, beef slice, sausages, green bell pepper chopped, and
Basil leaf, salt, pepper, garlic powder, olive oil, and oregano.
that's all.
Do it!
First, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Second, place tortilla on baking paper.
Like this.
Then, sprinkle garlic powder, salt, and pepper on top of the pizza. Third, bake the tortilla in the oven until it's golden.
About 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tortilla from the oven.
Then, spread tomato sauce on top of the tortilla. Fourth, arrange beef slice on tortilla.
Sausage and
Green bell pepper,
lastly cover with
mozzarella cheese. Okay, we bake again until the cheese melted.
about 5 minutes.
Finally, sprinkle a little bit of oregano on the pizza if you like it.